We'll continue with column-to-column comparisons. So this is also possible with the query method. So here, let's say we want to, instead of comparing against a single value, you can compare, say, one value with another. We did this before with Boolean selection. We're going to do it again here. So start capacity. We want all the rows where start capacity is greater than end capacity, like that. So just a column-to-column comparison. And when we do that, we're just going to get those rows where the start capacity is greater than the end capacity. So that is possible. Now let's say you want to do multiple equality. So we want to test, say, this is usually for strings, whether one of the events is one of a number of particular events. Well, you can actually use this in operator inside of query. So do bikes.query, and we'll say events in. Now, the way you provide this is with a list. You create a list inside of here. So the syntax is a little strange because it's all wrapped inside of a string. Let's just say you want snow and thunderstorms, like that. And so that's how you would do this. And over here should just be snow and thunderstorms. So that looks good. You can actually put not in, so to do the inverse of this. So it'll give you every row that's not snow or thunderstorms, like that. And that's the vast majority. Okay, so those are a couple more things that you can do with the query method.